Okay guys, for today's video, actually pupunta po tayo dito sa Daharan Mall kung saan manonood po tayo ng sine. So alam nyo ba kung anong papanoorin natin? I Know What You Did Last Summer. So this is very exciting part of the movie. So let's go! So guys, for today's video nga, so anong papanoorin natin content for today?
I Know What You Did Last Summer.
Ano kaya ang magandang palabas? Maganda ba ang palabas ang ano?
Mas maganda yun, nakakatakot.
Diba? May nakatingin. I Know What You Did Last Summer.
Nakatingin sa atin.
Ano kaya ang talagang scary kaya yun sa tingin mo?
Sa tingin ko, oo. Horror eh. Horror yun.
So,
Napanood mo na yung full trailer.
actually, nakita ako.
Hindi ko pinanood. Kasi para
Okay,
ano, oo,
para
para
sa
excited mama. Exciting mama.
Para ano siya.
Hindi ko alam talaga yung mga mangyayari.
Diba? So, titingnan na lang natin, no? See you. Diba? Ay. So, Abod, what can you say about this movie? You like the movie? It is a horror.
Of course, we will enjoy it.
We will enjoy. Really? Halika na. Bilisan mo. Oh, di ba? This is Pen Pen.
Hi everyone. I Know What You Did Last Summer.
See you.
A few moments later.
So guys, natapos na nga ang ating panunood for today's video. Actually, kukunin natin ang mga reaction natin kaibigan for today's video. Ang ano nga panood natin?
Grabe. I thought it was romance. It was very creepy, nakakatakot, pero exciting. This is one of the best movies that I watched. Yun.
Oh, di ba ito? Ano masasabi mo Pen Pen about sa movie sa I Know What You Did Last Summer?
So scary.
Tingnan ko parang ayaw pa ng summer.
Yes. I want winter.
Jennifer, so actually masaya naman, di ba?
Yes, nakakahinga na ako ngayon. Tsaka nagutom ako.
Diba?
Yes, I'm so hungry.
So,
Yes.
perfect naman ang movie. What do you think?
Hindi.
For me, sulit.
It's fine na.
For the ratings, 5 out of 10.
Oh, 5
That's so scary pala.
Ako, Diyos ko, hindi na ako uulit na super lapit. Bawal, guys, huwag kayo magbubok na super lapit sa screen.
Yes, wise guys. Wise only. You can pay only a small amount and then you can go to
Tapos
that.
lumipat na kayo kung sa may
Diba?
bakante.
May
They're at
Diba?
the Haran Mall, moving.
Oh, di ba? I know what you did
Saka
last
i-chat
summer.
nyo yung makakatabi nyo dapat. Make sure na meron silang popcorn para hindi ka mabon. Nakalimutan kami ng popcorn dun sa katabi
1, 2, 3, go. I know what you did last summer.
Okay, thank you so much. See.
Some ticket. How much ticket?